So I've got 8 address points inserted there. Now I'm going to break the module. And now there's the other half of the module there. I'll line it up underneath. This is to allow for, let's say, I don't know, a structural steel bar perhaps. Now you'll see that's going a bit crazy there with the graphics. Don't worry about that. That's just my graphics card on my laptop. That does happen sometimes when you're moving things around with AutoCAD and the graphics card doesn't keep up. Don't worry. The only time that will be inserted is when you left click. So you left click, allow the spaces and the breaks. You want spacing again of 25. Remember your spacing, like so, and you OK that. So that's all ready to go. Spacing, allow spaces, breaks, OK it. Insert next input out point there. There it is. Add a spacer, insert next. Add a spacer, insert next. Add a spacer, and then insert next. Now, I might want to break the module again. Address after 17, octal or decimal or hexadecimal. Let's say decimal. And there's the next part of my PLC. So I can just keep breaking this to my heart's content until I've used up all of my input-output points. So I'll go for 25 again there. I'll OK that and OK again. Insert next I/O point. Thank you very much. Add a spacer. Insert next I/O point. Add a spacer. And you'll notice, look, it's gone off the end now. Insert next input-output point, and it updates that as soon as you get to the end. Once you've hit that 16 address points, it's done. But you can see, look, I've got spacers now, which allows for me just a little bit of physical space between those points. If I zoom in there now, as you can see, there they are. Look, 16. They're all there. They're all numbered. Can you just see that? Sorry, that's not 16. I wasn't zoomed in enough. It's actually 10. It should start at 10 at the top, goes through to 11, so we should go all the way down here, and we should, there you go, we end up at 25. So there's our 16 points, okay? And you've got, can you see output 15 there? If I come up, it should start all the way at the top here if I keep scrolling up, panning along, there we go, all the way to out 0. So 0 through 15, we've got 16 points. Now the good thing is, I can now align these if I want to. So I go here, click, align. I want to align with that one, like so. Select objects to align, 1, 2, right click, and that didn't really work there because they didn't align properly. So I can easily undo that and just keep undoing it like so and bring them back. But obviously that didn't align properly there. So what I'm going to do is align again. And it says select component to align with vertical horizontal. So I need to select vertical or horizontal first, really. So align. I'll type in vertically this time, V for vertical, and I'll select this component here, select the objects, 1, 2, that's better, because I didn't change it to vertical, I left it at horizontal, so they all aligned horizontally to the top here. So remember that, you do need to change, horizontal is the default. But as you can see, that's how you insert and break a PLC module in AutoCAD Electrical.